And this is the
It'll
31.
give you the motor count.
Okay, I'll give you the
Okay.
motor count.
You press 4.
Yep.
Okay, and then you do A1. Like that, it says $1.
Yep.
A3 says $1. A5 says $1. A7 says $1.
Yep.
B1 says $1. B3 $1. B5 $1. B7 $1. C1 $1. C3 $1. C7 $1. D1 $1.50 or $1.25?
$1.25.
Okay.
That's Candy Row, right?
D1, yep. D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9.
T9,
Just
76.
just 8. D9 shouldn't be anything. Okay. E1, E2, E3, 4, E5, E6, E7, E8. And the bottom row is how much?
What is that, snack or
It's a
candy?
snack.
Dollar.
F1, F3, F5, F7. There you go. Okay, so they're all set. If you want to change them,
Didn't D1 need to be changed?
I already changed it.
Okay. And how did you do it? Can you go back?
Plus and minus.
Plus and minus.
I mean,
What's
plus and, star and pound.
star and pound? Okay.
Yes, star is up, pound is down.
Star
And it tells
is
you that on here.
star is up,
Yep.
pound is down.
Yep.
And then what's enter?
Huh?
What's enter?
I just turned it off, and let's see if it.